German sheet metal cutter helps to construct the highest tower in Europe. Messe Essen has extended its contract with the Asian Sectoral Association CMES. 3M and Lincoln Electric are amongst the ethical companies. New CEO for Europe at Messe Cutting Systems. Team Germany wins silver in the ArcKrub 2018 in China. Welcome to DVS-TV International News. The job-cutting company Bonn-Acker Metall from Feuchtwagen in Franconia is currently involved in a mammoth project in St. Petersburg in Russia, where the highest tower in Europe is being constructed at present. The Lachta Center in St. Petersburg is planned to rise up to a height of 462 meters. On 400,000 square meters, the multi-purpose site with the large tower in the middle will offer space for a sports facility, a panorama restaurant, office rooms and an amphitheater. The headquarters of the largest gas conglomerate in the world, the Gazprom Group, will be the core of the multi-purpose site. Bonn-Acker Metall is fabricating many tons of blanks for the construction of the tower. The job-cutting company had strict stipulations with regard to the commissioning duration and the beginning of the production. After all, the objective was to work through large-scale orders. For this purpose, the company replaced outdated technology with modern machinery. Amongst other equipment, the managing director Joachim Peter decided in favor of a plasma cutting installation from Microstep. Peter purchased a cutting solution with a double rotator. Now, his employees can process 2 identical cutting orders at the same time. This, Bonn-Acker was able to increase the production speed and to process orders more cheaply and more quickly. The engineers and the skilled workers who are completing the 87 stories in St. Petersburg are also profiting from this. At the end, the most northerly high-rise building in the world will have cost over $2 billion and more than 3,000 people will have been involved in this construction. Messe Essen has extended its contract with the Asian Sectoral Association, the Chinese Mechanical Engineering Society. With the corporation, China, the world's largest steel producer with a strong demand for modern technology, is continuing to place its faith in fairs made in Germany. For several decades, the Chinese Mechanical Engineering Society has been present at the world's leading fair in the sector, Schweißen und Schneiden, with a large number of exhibitors from the Middle Kingdom. At this #1 meeting place at Messe Essen, over 1,000 exhibitors introduce innovations in joining, cutting and surfacing technologies every 4 years. Together, both partners, CMES and Messe Essen, organized the second largest fair in the sector, Beijing Essen Welding and Cutting. It has developed into an important sectoral platform and makes it possible for foreign companies to establish contacts into the growth region. The Ethisphere Institute recently distinguished 135 companies from 24 countries and 57 industries. These included the US machine manufacturer Lincoln Electric and the multi-technology conglomerate 3M. The 2 firms are the only 2 companies from the fields of the machines, tools and accessories industries which the Institute has honored as ethical. For 12 years in the meantime, the Ethisphere Institute has distinguished companies every year. It assesses entrepreneurial business practices with the aid of quantitative data collection. For this purpose, it investigates the programs, guidelines and reputations of the respective companies. Attention focuses on corporate management, risk, sustainability, compliance and ethics. 3M has been nominated for the 5th year in succession, while it is the first time for Lincoln Electric. Oliver Fries has taken over the CEO's position at Messe Cutting Systems. He succeeded John Emholz in April. With his appointment, Fries is responsible for the business of Messe Cutting Systems in Europe. After his mechanical engineering studies concluded with a degree and after the Master of Business Administration, he gained experience in various management positions in mechanical engineering. Messe Cutting Systems is a global supplier of cutting technology for the metalworking industry. With more than 900 employees, the company is represented at 5 main locations with production facilities and in more than 50 countries. The international welding competition called the ArcKrub 2018 took place in Suzhou, China from June 6 to 10. In this case, the best young welders from Germany showed that they can deliver clean welds all over the world too. Sebastian Greiner, Luis Harder, Rumen Siems and Dennis Spicher are the names of the 4 welder heroes who, together with their team leader Ronald Pajuelo, department manager at Liebherr Nensing Service in Hamburg, managed to take 2nd place in the team classification. With their coaches, a total of 67 welders from 20 countries took part in the ArcKrub in the 4 welding disciplines: gas welding, manual metal arc welding, metal active gas welding and tungsten inert gas welding. Both the individual and team performances were assessed. In addition, there was the competition called finished product welding, in which the welder had to fabricate 1 component in all the processes. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time. Bye.